The National Electrical Code Section 440.14 addresses disconnecting means for motors, motor circuits, and controllers. Subsection B states that for motors rated 1/8 horsepower or less, a general use snap switch may be used as the disconnecting means. Subsection C discusses group operation, stating that where two or more motors drive a single machine, the disconnecting means shall be in a readily accessible location for the group. Subsection D elaborates on the readily accessible location. It specifies that the disconnecting means shall be located in sight from the motor or motor's controller or controllers, preferably within sight of the motor or motors, and shall be readily accessible. For the purpose of this section, readily accessible is not intended to require access to the rear of the motor to disconnect it from its power source. The two air handlers in question are considered motors driving a single machine, which is the air conditioning system. Therefore, a disconnecting means is required for the group. Since one air handler already has a built-in circuit breaker disconnect, it is likely that the other air handler will need to be provided with a separate disconnect to meet code requirements. The NEC does not provide a specific deadline for installing a disconnect. However, it is generally considered good practice to install a disconnect at the time of equipment installation or during any major renovations or repairs. To comply with the code and ensure safe and convenient serviceability, it is recommended to install a disconnecting means for the second air handler as soon as possible. This can be a circuit breaker type disconnect similar to the one in the other air handler. The location of the disconnect is important. It should be readily accessible, meaning it can be reached quickly and without obstruction. It should also be located within sight of the motor or motor's controller or controllers. This ensures that the person servicing the equipment can easily verify that the power is disconnected before beginning work. Choosing the right type of disconnect is also crucial. A circuit breaker type disconnect is a good option because it provides both overcurrent protection and a means of disconnecting the power. A general use snap switch may be suitable for smaller motors, but it does not provide overcurrent protection. When installing a disconnect, it is important to follow all applicable codes and regulations. The installation should be performed by a qualified electrician to ensure that it is done safely and correctly. Regular inspection and maintenance of the disconnect are also important. This includes checking for loose connections, corrosion, and other signs of damage. Any issues should be addressed promptly to prevent electrical hazards. In summary, air handlers require a disconnecting means for safety and code compliance. The disconnect should be readily accessible, located within sight of the motor or motor's controller or controllers, and appropriate for the size and type of motor. Regular inspection and maintenance are also essential.